Ever applied for a credit card and felt like you were stuck in application purgatory? You fill out the forms, hit submit, and then, crickets. Days turn into weeks, and your new credit card feels like a distant dream. Fear not, fellow credit card hopefuls, because today we're diving deep into the world of Capital One approvals. Specifically, we're tackling the burning question: how fast does Capital One actually approve applications? Buckle up, because we're about to unveil the secrets behind Capital One's approval process and get you that shiny new card in your hands, well, mailbox, as soon as possible. Now, before we dissect Capital One's approval timeline, let's rewind a bit. The speed of your application approval depends on a few key factors. First, there's the application method itself. Did you apply online, over the phone, or the old-fashioned way with a paper application? Believe it or not, your choice of platform can significantly impact the wait time. Secondly, your credit history plays a major role. Capital One, like most credit card issuers, will scrutinize your credit score and report to assess your creditworthiness. A strong credit score can expedite the approval process, while a lower score might require a bit more investigation on Capital One's end. Finally, there's the ever-elusive additional information request. Sometimes, even with a decent credit score, Capital One might need further verification to make a final decision. This could involve confirming your income or employment details. While a slight annoyance, providing this information promptly can significantly speed things up. All right, enough with the suspense. Let's get down to brass tacks. Capital One boasts an impressive approval speed, especially for online and phone applications. In many cases, you will receive an answer within a mind-blowing 60 seconds. Yes, you read that right, 1 minute. That's the magic of automated decision-making systems that analyze your credit information and deliver a near-instant verdict. However, that lightning-fast approval isn't guaranteed for everyone. If your application requires further review or additional information, the wait time can stretch to 7 to 10 business days. Capital One will typically notify you via email of their decision within this time frame. Now, let's say you're one of the lucky ones who gets the instant approval. Congratulations! But hold on a sec, because there's still a slight wait before you can start swiping that new card. Once approved, it takes Capital One approximately 7 to 10 business days to mail you the physical card. There is, however, a silver lining. Some Capital One cards offer virtual account numbers. This means you might be able to access your credit line and start using your card for online purchases as soon as you're approved, even before the physical card arrives. Not all cards offer this feature, so be sure to check the specific details of the card you applied for. So, to summarize, applying online or by phone gives you the best shot at a super-fast approval within 60 seconds. But if your application needs a closer look, expect a wait of 7 to 10 business days for a decision. Once approved, you'll be waiting another 7 to 10 business days for the physical card, with the possibility of using a virtual account number for online purchases in the meantime. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy credit card hunting.